Good morning students, good morning colleagues. So in today's class you will study future perfect tense. As we have studied many tenses as present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and in past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Like the way we shall study future perfect tense, means we have been familiar with the tenses, so we shall have not more problem, we shall have not more questions about tense. So simply we shall see the identity. It shows completed form of actions. It shows completed form of actions means चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, दिया होगा, लिया होगा, किया होगा। कि जब हम किसी सेंटेंस को बोलते हैं और कार्य हो चुका हो तो वहाँ पे हम क्या पाते हैं? चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, दिया होगा, लिया होगा, किया होगा। मुख्य क्रिया के अंत में मुख्य क्रिया के अंत में तो वह हमारा फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस होता है। जैसे ही विल हैव लर्नड हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, कि वह अंग्रेजी बोलना कैसे सीखा। श्याम विल हैव फ्लोन द काइट, श्याम पतंग उड़ा चुका होगा। लाइक द वे वी कैन स्पीक मेनी सेंटेंसेज, like the way we can speak many sentences. And after that we see the rule helping verb will or shall be. We use of helping verb will or shall have. Helping verb we use will or shall have. Main verb in third form, past participle means main verb का हम थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करते हैं, past participle verb in third form. And after that we shall the structure will or shall have verb in third form plus object, negative subject plus will shall not have verb in third form plus object. And next is will shall plus subject plus have verb in third form plus object. Next is interrogative word plus will shall plus subject plus have plus verb in third form plus object. Next is will shall plus subject plus not have plus verb in third form plus object. Next is interrogative word plus will shall subject plus not have verb in third form plus object. So these are the structure of future perfect tense. And if write the example, she will have cooked food. She will have cooked food. So she will have cooked food. She will not have cooked food. Will she have cooked food? Why will she have cooked food? Will she not have cooked food? Why will she not have cooked food? So these are the structure and these are the example. And after that he will have flown the kite. He will not have flown the kite. Will he have flown the kite? Why will he have flown the kite? Will he not have flown the kite? Why will he not have flown the kite? So these are the example. And after that we see the last example. 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 Riya will have applied the myrtle Ria will have applied the miltal. Ria will not have applied the miltal. Will Ria have applied the miltal? Why will Ria have applied the miltal? Will Ria not have applied the miltal? Why will Ria not have applied the miltal? So these are the example. And next example, Sonu will have sung a song. Sonu will have sung a song. Sonu will have sung a song. This is in affirmative, and after that negative. Sonu will not have sung a song. Will Sonu have sung a song? Why will Sonu have sung a song? And will Sonu not have sung a song? Why will Sonu not have sung a song? And after that, next rule, when two words are done together in one sentence, then first is translated into future perfect and other is translated into present indefinite. As मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले वह काम कर चुका होगा. मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले वह काम कर चुका होगा. He will have done the work before I reach at home. So these are the rule for the such types of sentences. मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले वह काम कर चुका होगा. He will have done the work before I reach at home. मेरे कहने से पहले वह जग गया होगा. मेरे कहने से पहले वह जग गया होगा. He will have risen before I say. So these are the example, and this is future perfect tense. If there is any problem, so you will comment, like, share, means whatever you do, just follow the channel and you will get very, very, very surprising things from the YouTube channel. And that's all. Have a good day and Shubh Divas.